guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking another video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be trying some Korean snacks. Yes, I have Aiden here with me because the moment he saw the box, he knew he had to be involved.
Yes.
Wow, a lot going on in here. Okay, so we're just gonna dive right in, pick random stuff and try them out. It's sweet. Wow, I actually like this. It's like, I want to take this, pour it in a bowl, and put some milk on it. That's good. Old card though, if that's how you say it.
Or yummy.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's a little spicy, cheesy.
It got something.
Chili flavor. Oh, these are amazing. Okay.
It's good.
We're gonna go to the next one. It says Popeye on it. Popeyes eat spinach, but let's see what this is about. I don't know if you can see it properly. That looks. And these crystals, is it sugar?
I found this.
And these sugar crystals. This is a weird snack. It's not horrible. Nothing special. We tried this already. It wants to go back.
This.
The Choco Pie. I'm sorry guys, I was supposed to do this video by myself. He kind of hopped in. He's not even prepped and ready to record. But what can you say? When you have kids, you know the struggle. This is what this looks like. Ugh, it's chocolate. Here, you can try it. Alright, so we have this one here.
Spicy.
Let's see how this tastes. It looks spicy. These look like little baked macaronis. If you've ever had hot cheese puffs, this is exactly what it tastes like. Alright, so far so good. Now we're gonna look at this one. It says delicious on it, right? Yes, delicious. Oh. You can see the inside. No, you can't see it, but it's like a thin cookie and there's a cream inside. It tastes like just like a wafer. Not my favorite. Sorry guys, kind of went back to this one for a second because it's so good. This one just says Korean cookies. Underneath it says cheese cookie. So I'm guessing this is gonna taste like cheese. It smells cheesy actually. And buttery.
Can I eat it too?
I can taste the cheese in it. I don't hate it though. It's weird. It's weird, but I don't hate it. All right, Aiden wants to try this one. This one completely has no name on it. Yuck. These are not fried baked snacks. This looks like just like goldfish that we get out here.
No, Mom.
This looks so weird. These things look like actual, like somebody worked hard to make them shaped like actual fish. Or it's like a dolphin. They don't have the cheesy taste, the cheesy look that our goldfish have on
I
here.
don't know why.
Chrissie.
Yuck, yuck, ew! This is so bad. Ugh. I'm not even gonna try nothing. Ew, it has an aftertaste. Ugh. Ah, this is horrible. Tastes like actual fish.
Yo.
That's horrible. That crap tastes like fish. Ew. I feel so manipulated. Can you see that? It looks like something filled with cheese. Let's see. Right. Can you see what's happening here? Yeah. That's just like gelatin or something. Nope. It does not. I don't even know how you describe that texture. I think I'll pass. Oh, my cheese puffs back, guys. Something biscuit. take a bite. And like a strawberry wafer, any strawberry cookie. Okay. I bought a box of Korean snacks and they slipped in an Italian snack in here, I guess. Let me just taste it. Like a croissant, just a little crunchier. I don't know why they call it an Italian snack. Apple cookies. Oh, it's really good. The perfect sweetness to it. It's like the perfect apple pie. Everything. These are still in here. I can guarantee that they're chocolate, so I'm good. This is a melon. It's good. Okay, so I went and I prepared the noodles. Smells really good. Let me embarrass myself and act like I know how to use chopsticks. Luckily with noodles, it's a lot easier. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. It is so good. Let's go like this. There we go.
This is really, really good.
These are really good. Don't judge me for how I'm eating, okay? It's hard for some people. All right. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it.
I eat like I'm Chinese.
So we are done trying our Korean snacks, and I'm gonna leave the link down below to where you can get this box of snacks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching me eat some snacks, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.